Hey everyone! Want to share your Disney Plus account with your family so everyone can enjoy their favorite shows and movies? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, make sure you have an active Disney Plus account. Disney Plus lets you create up to 7 profiles, so each family member can have their own personalized watch list and recommendations. Next, share your login credentials, your email, and password with trusted family members. Remember, Disney Plus allows up to 4 simultaneous streams, so multiple people can watch at the same time on different devices. For kids, set up a kids profile and enable parental controls to restrict content by age. You can manage this under Profile Settings, Parental Controls. Family members can then log in on smart TVs, phones, tablets, or computers using the shared account and enjoy Disney Plus anywhere in your household. And that's it. Sharing Disney Plus with your family is simple, safe, and fun. Hit that subscribe button for more streaming tips and start watching your favorite shows together today.